Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you that how you can delete Instagram search suggestion while you typing. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do, first you have to open up your Instagram app, then you have to go to on your search option. After that you have to click on search, then you have to click on see all. After that you have to click on clear all from this page, and you have to click on clear all. And the second option is you have to click on your profile and click on this three dot bar icon, and make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after going to settings and activity, what you have to do, you have to search an option called suggested content. You have to click on this option. After that you have to click on interested, and you have to click on this reels or the posters that you are interested in. Instagram thought you are interested in this post or profile, you have to click on not interested, and you have to click on this, and you have to clear all the interested video or interested profile here. Then your search suggestion will be automatically removed. So I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video, subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.